You are dark energy in human form. Dark energy is the ever expanding spark of life in our existence, and its conscious melanin is a central cosmic spiritual composite found in all dark matter. Carbon is the basis from which all physical DNA is formed, composed of 6 electrons, 6 protons, and 6 neutrons. Being though you are of them, you are them, and can summon these forces and powers at will as a creator, alchemist, and sorcerer, or one who can manipulate the source from which they are and dwell. And after we call this energy and those who master it God. What is a spirit? Your spirit is a form of energy. Energy is a form of frequency that carries a ritual. Energy carries information. This makes your blood spiritual. Your blood is your spirit, and your spirit is your blood. Frequencies of your blood is very high because it distributes signals and information through your body to your biochemical structure, and your biochemical structure downloads these signals and information. Your spirit is a bridge to your soul. Even when your blood or spirit leaves from your body, it is still connected to you. The blood is the assistance to your melanin. Melanin is also your antenna for the messages that are being displayed or picked up by the blood. Your blood has an amount of slides, which basically counts on the nuclear. This is how doctors can tell how long you're going to live, due to the slides in your blood, and the nucleus connects you to the dream world. The truth is, everybody does not have to like what you do for you to be successful with it. It really doesn't matter who hates it, it matters who likes it. There is an audience for anything, so please keep doing your thing.